Your oven is finished preheating and is ready for pizza. So now what? First off, if that preheat ends and you are still prepping your pizzas, no worries. The stone-baked pizza setting will hold and wait for you. If you're worried about inserting the pizza into the oven, it's totally normal, and I've got some tips. Frigidaire designed the pizza shield with exactly that in mind. The shield has this back guard that serves two functions. One, it helps prevent the pizza from sliding off the back of the pizza stone. Two, it helps me remove the pizza from the peel. So you're ready to insert the pizza? Go ahead and give the pizza one final shake to make sure it's not sticking, and add some cornmeal to the spot if it is. Then open the door fully. Aim the front edge of the peel toward the back of the oven, lightly tapping the back guard with the peel's tip. This quick motion helps shift the pizza forward. As the crust starts to catch on the hot stone, gently pull the peel straight back, allowing the pizza to glide off and settle evenly onto the stone. Go ahead and close your oven door and make sure you hit start and stay close by. This pizza cooks in as little as 2 minutes. If you notice the dough hanging off the edge of the stone or slightly off center, don't worry. Use the peel to nudge the dough back onto the stone quickly and carefully. Then close the oven door and let the baking begin. If toppings or cheese fall on the stone at any point in time, leave it alone. The high heat will burn it off, and once the stone is cooled down, you can wipe it off. If you are making multiple pizzas, during the reheat cycle, you can use the peel to push any debris to the back of the stone. As with all cooking on a pizza stone, leftover or excess flour or debris may cause smoking or small flames. If flames appear, this is completely normal. Keep the oven door closed. The flames will extinguish themselves.